Alright guys, so this is a few days later. We did do a pressure test on the coolant system. We just rented some gear for the day to pressure test it, and that checked out okay actually. That doesn't mean we're in the clear. I think there still might be a head gasket issue, but I'm just going to drive it for now. I'll put a couple hundred miles on it and see what happens. First thing I want to do though before I do that is I want to check this timing belt. So I think this thing's been sitting for, you know, over a decade. The belt will need to be replaced, but if it's really cracked, then I won't drive it. If it looks okay, then I'll drive it for a week or two. So we'll see if we can just pop that cover off and take a look at the belt, see how cracked it looks. So it actually doesn't look terrible. Nothing alarming anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and drive it for a week. Roll the dice. Hopefully it doesn't break in the next week. Alright, so the headlights are in. Next step is to fix this door handle over here. These things were always really cheap and were known for breaking. So there's just one screw in here to pull this thing out. Right there. So I'm going to pull this door panel off quick to take a look at the inside of the handle. Just got to unscrew the lock mechanism and then a few screws hold it in. Alright, so I'm struggling a little bit to get this door card off. So I popped this the mirror control out. Just going to unplug this. And then I think once you do that, let's see. I think this thing just swings up out of the way, I hope. Swings down and the whole thing pops off. Okay. I don't know if this shows up on camera, but you can see where that old handle's broken right in here. And here's a new one. Alright, so I'm going to hit the road here pretty quick. Got the new door handle on. That works. Headlights are in. I've got one marker light. This marker light over here is not working. I tried to put a bulb in, but it didn't make any difference, so I'll have to trace that down. So we're going to get on the road here. First drive in, I think, over a decade. I've got about 72 miles to get home, so we will see if we make it. Alright, so we're hitting the road pretty quick. In here I got a pretty good exhaust leak yet. I think it's where that catalytic converter's tap rotted out. So I'll have to replace that. Got some snow last night. So we're getting on the highway here in a minute and we'll see how far we make it. As you can see, the dash is still all apart. Pure luxury. Pretty rough shape yet. A lot of work to do. It smells like a barn in here yet. Really needs to be cleaned out. I'll probably do that when I get home. I've never cleaned this thing since I bought it. looking good. Temperature's coming up. Odometer does not work. That fix that I did a year ago did not take, so I got to take that apart and do something about that. It actually feels pretty good. So there's fifth at 50 miles an hour, 45, 50. So the fan doesn't work on here. You got to hold the button down for the fan to come on. So that's going to be a little bit of a cold drive on the way home. Once we get on the interstate, I'll film a little more. See if we can get her up to speed. Up it up to about 75. Cruise control even works. So just set it at 75, let it sit. We got about an hour drive, so seems to be running good for the moment. Battery's charging. Oil pressure reads really high, and the temp gauge for the oil doesn't seem to be coming up. But the water temp's good. Everything else looks good. So if anything happens, I will turn the camera back on. Otherwise, I'll see you when we get home. Alright, so I made it home, no issues. Ran great actually. Tracked really well on the highway. Just set the cruise and let it run. The gas gauge is off. I stopped and filled it up, and it was, even with a full tank, it reads about 3/4 of a tank. So I got to check into that. And then I started pushing a little bit coming up the hill, and I could smell antifreeze then, so I got to check into that too. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit and then check the oil and kind of go over it, and I'm gonna clean up the interior, and that'll be it for this one. So thanks for watching. See you next time.